What up, what up, what up? Hold on. I just need, I don't. Boom, 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 boom. I can't see the chat. There it is. Yo, what up, Austin? TPT is not going to like me. I blew up my 2 Pro Plus accounts. Yeah, I'm sure you're not the only one. It happens, man. The ATR is huge. Yo, what up, Sean? What up, Steven? Donna? Jim? By the way, Sean, if you're ever bored and want to come on, just tell me. I'll turn the thing back on because I never turn it back on for. I never turn it back on. I was just letting you know that you just ever want to because you're bored as shit. Bro, did they just change? What the fuck? Can I not get? Oh, geez. Bro, they changed. Oh, that's so fucking wackadocious. Yo, I don't know why they changed that. That's fucking weird. Hey, Cove, you see Next Gen's got unlimited resets now. Can you? Hold on 1 second. Yeah, I mean, they do. The problem is you can't trade on fucking Tradeivy with them. You got to trade on TradingView. I'm waiting until they pay me. We shall see. I got a payout pending. I don't know if I'm going to get paid. I want to go through the whole process. Yo, you pass them and then you wait for the activation sale. Yo, that shit's hysterical. We shall see. I'm waiting. They got my Rise account. I just locked in a Elite Trader funding payout also. I only bought 5 accounts. I passed all 5. 1 failed. I have 3 funded now, and then 1 is waiting in the wings. I already maxed out. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Wait, which one is this? Yo, I think we're just going to go up here. What up, Keyshawn? Up. I just decided to trade this one today, just before, like 10 minutes ago, and I took a fucking L. I took an L, and I took a gain. I think it's going to go. I'm just waiting. Watching. Waiting. Dude, this is the chop of the chop of the chop. Choppity chop. I turned all my Apex green. Dude, I just realized this one's getting close to a payout. Yo, Jim Knob, where's Design Knob? Tell him I said what's up. Bruh, I don't know what he's doing. I wonder what he's up to. Getting used to using Replicanto again. Just I have Replicanto up, but I don't trade on Ninja Trader. I trade here. Yo, Reese, I accidentally bought in the account that I needed $200 to get a payout in, and then I hit for like 220, and then I thought I switched accounts, got in another trade, and I was still in that account, and then got it to like 371, and then that locked in the payout. Whenever I see ATM at the moment, you think of at the money, dude. I don't think of either one of those, dude. I think of the other ATM. Yo, it was a good accident, but then when I got in the second one, I thought I was going to lose the money. I was like, oh no, again, and I'm going to lose it. And then it went up. I was like, oh my God, I got it. Then I was like, I wish I could just, yeah. You think of ATM and Ninja? Wait, Kim, you're not in. Either is Hermosa or all the other alts you're going to join in as. Yeah, no, I think more ass to mouth, but you know, I guess your ATM is more PG. Anyways, LaMelo, where did LaMelo get traded to? Bro, he's going to the Wolves. Doesn't matter. Knicks are repeating. Yo, what sucks about imagine being his one brother, the one that sucks. He's only like 6'3". Yeah, Leangelo Ball. Dude, I think Lonzo Ball, he made some money.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, I just clank-lanked $400 and something on that same move. Holy shit. Yo, like you got Lonzo. Lonzo made 122 million. LaMelo, I mean, he's making good money. He's at 108, but can make 239. And then you got the other shit brother that made no money. Imagine being the guy that made zero money. Bro, all your brothers fucking banked. And there you are, like, yo, he made it to the G League. Yo, he made like $8 million. Bro. Yo, I just saw that. He's trying to be a rapper. Get the fuck out of here, man. Bro. His rapping's probably as trash as his basketball game. Shit, I could probably beat him in basketball. Bro, you don't want to be the... What was for lunch? I had a parfait with a juice. And that's it. Yo, what up, Code? Yeah, I had a parfait with a juice. Dude, I eat pretty healthy. Like, I had a protein shake this morning for breakfast. I have a parfait with, like, you know, what was it? Like granola, but like the granola I have is like special granola with some local honey and some blueberries. And then dinner, I'll have Mexican food. Yo, Jay, I work out. So when I go to these kids' birthday parties in the pool, I'm the fucking dad that all the moms look at with my shirt off. I don't care about walking around with my shirt off. These rest of the dads got the shirts on or they don't want to go in the pool. I intentionally walk around with my shirt off. I also prep. Like right before I know I'm going to a pool party, like I'll fast for one day. I'll eat super clean, just kind of shred off a couple of lbs, get the water weight off, and I'll go to the gym like 3 hours before the pool party. I prep for the pool parties. But then once you're there, like by the time you eat food, like it's all good. But bro, I break out that fucking Diddy oil. I start lathering myself up in that shit. And I make sure to eat everything at the party too. So dudes are like, I don't understand. He's eating everything and he looks like that. I love fucking around. Yo, I think I'm going to go long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't know if you want to see this or the other one. I don't know. I don't know which one you like. Do you like watching this with the money, or you don't give a shit? I'm basically at a payout here. Oh fuck.
Order filled.
I'm basically at a payout. The minimum I can request is $500. So I need $200 to get a payout. Yo, Speedo with a potato in it. So yesterday I locked in $700. Today I just locked in $600 and something payout, 665. If I can lock in this other payout, it'll be at least $500. I want to say I've gotten a payout every single trading day, except one in the last 7 or 8 days. So it's almost 2 weeks of straight payouts every day. Fucking push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Yo, if we get over this wick, I'm probably just gonna go up here anyways. That's so big. I mean, that's like I just moved my TP up like 30 freaking points. Yo, anyone that took this, you're welcome. I start drawing magnets on my car. What? I don't know what that is. What up, Eric? Yo, it doesn't even look like much. That's 40 fucking points right now if you get out. Bro, that could be your whole day. That could be your whole day. 40 points. Yo, I'm trying to think now. Bro, this thing is just going to go. Here's a note. For this whole next 3 months with rollover, the new contract makes all the odd number 100, 300, 500 levels and NQ the $5 strike levels are pretty close. Focus on them, not evens. Interesting. I gotta shut my air off, man. It's fucking getting cold up in this joint. So I'm working on a couple things here. So I'm working on this strategy. I got to clean it up just a little bit. And then there's this strategy that I got to clean up just a little bit. I don't even know what this is going to look like. And now I'm working on this one, which obviously looks pretty good. And I got to clean it up a little bit. I'll post these all for free. I just got to clean them up. I got to do some housekeeping on them. Let's see. What are we buying and selling, Claude? Oh, nothing. Interesting. Interesting. Dude, I think it's going to go way higher. I think it's going to go all the way back up to, I think we're going to see daily open. How's that sound? $30,089. Right, it's 250
NYMEX
points
WTI
above
crude
where we
August
are.
futures settle at $71.92 a barrel, up $1.58 or 2.25%. NYMEX diesel July futures settle at around $3.29 a gallon. NYMEX gasoline July futures settle at around $3.02 a gallon. And NYMEX natural gas July futures settle at around $3.34.
What's this fucking guy just say? Bro, I don't know what he just said. He was like, gas prices. Oh. Yo. Fucking shit's so funny. Tea and crumps? Yo, I wish I was somewhere that had like noon tea. Bro, I would be all in on noon tea. Tell me you wouldn't be in on noon tea. Bro, all in. Don't even have to fucking call me twice. $1,000%, dude. I'd be. Smash the like button. Dude, I think we're going to just. Bro, I would love to do noon tea, man. Oh, I'm thinking nooner, not noon tea. My bad. My bad. Two different things. My bad. Yo, Iran attacks a cargo ship? Why do I not see that? Yo, where do you see that? Oh, said it. Okay, I thought it just happened. I thought it just happened.
Order filled.
Come on, little buddy.
Order filled.
Am I going to get a payout? I need to go over 850 for a payout. Well, we're not losing money. Come on, 850 for a payout. Come on. 850 locks in a payout. Yo, I had it. Boom. Locked in another payout today. Oh, look at this bad boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh. Bro. Oh. So I just locked in. I think that's $600, and that's six. I think I locked in a little over 1,200 today. Yo, if you took it, awesome. If you didn't, you didn't. Don't feel bad. There's always the next one. Don't feel bad. There's always the next one. It might not be as wild and fun as the first one, but maybe you can still earn some money. It might be okay still. Yo, where'd you put it in the Discord? I'll make it for you, cartoon. I will make any strategy that people want. I'll make it. Oh, my eyeball, man. Dude, my eye is like, oh, man. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Dude, that's super simple. All right. So I locked in a payout there. I'm waiting to get paid here. Okay. Bro, shit's awesome. What's up, Chris? What up, Bo? You're welcome. Oh man, I'm gonna fucking tape this.
Order filled.
Wait. Fuck me. Hold on 1 second. Oh no. I just got fucking. Oh my god. I'll make it back. I just didn't wait for it to close. We'll see what happens. I need to close over 809. I am in. I jumped the gun on this fucking wick. Made 1K in one funded and blew a funded on 3 micros. Dude, you can easily blow a funded. I may be done trading fundeds the rest of the day, to be 100% honest with you guys. There's got to be a really good setup for me to take a funded account. I just hit that other one. I have a style of trading cartoon that just works for me. I can't look at the DOM. I don't like looking at the DOM, watching it go back and forth all day. Like, I can't do it.
Order filled.
I don't know. I just play the same thing over and over. I think we're going to bounce in this level. If we end up getting a close under 7, call it 710, 711 on the 15, I would change my bias. But until then, I'm kind of long bias. Can I crank my mic audio up? Why? What do I sound like to everybody? Do I sound bad? Dude, that's like, I gave you like the fucking super high level where I was at, man. Dude, I left out the part where I was doing consulting work. Consulting work was left out. How I met my business partner. Man, I got a whole fucking. I have like a whole thing. See what sucks? All right, so you guys are used to prop trading, but when you're trading your real capital, the last thing you want to do is really like pull the capital out, really, because you try to grow the accounts and you only kind of take out what you want or what you need, especially when you're growing. Yeah, I don't know. I'll look at it. I try to adjust. I don't. So even though you have a lot of money in brokerages accounts, like you're kind of broke sometimes because you're like, I don't want to take any money out because the more money is in there, the more money you can make. I did some consulting work at one point. I met my business partner because the company I was consulting at, it was a smaller company. The owner told my business partner not to talk to me. And then he messaged me on fucking Facebook and said, you want to meet up for dinner at Buffalo Wild Wings? I was like, sure, man. Yeah. Dude, when I was consulting, there was a guy there. Well, I don't say guy. He was like a 25-year-old kid. And he was buying Bitcoin at $75. And he was telling us how he was selling it at 125 bucks. What business was I consulting for? So the type of business it was a marketing agency that focused on direct marketing, the type of that you see like Facebook ads for to sell you products. And the niche was like self-help / survival / weight loss. And I helped them. I consulted in a lot of things. And then because I was so good, he wanted to start a social marketing agency and I was to run the whole thing. And I did that for 5 months and then I left. They were selling it at 125. I remember guys in the office talking shit about it. Bro, Craigslist meetups. Bro, I met one person on Craigslist one time when I was like, bro, I had to be like 25. And I met this person up at like a bar and I was like, they were like cracked out. And I was like, I'll never meet somebody on Craigslist again. It was like fucking, had to be like, I think it was like a Thursday night. It wasn't even a weekend. Bro, I've done all types of shit, but I know enough to just leave. Holy fuck, this is dumping. Dude, I got stories about stories, man. You got to think like, so when I said I did really well right out of college, like I owned my own house at 25. So I was, man, I got fucking stories at my house. I got all types of
So
stories,
Iran's
man.
Persian Gulf Strait Authority says vessels outside PGSA set route will not be guaranteed safe passage. This is a post on X.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Something about no safe passage. How did I meet my wife? It was a blind date. We used to do family dinners on Wednesdays, and I asked my aunt to hook me up with a hot waitress. And she hooked me up with this one girl. We hung out a couple times. And then somebody that she really liked showed interest. And she said, do you care if I push you to my friend? I was like, I don't give a shit. And then she set up the blind date between me and my wife. Vessels outside PGSA set routes will not be guaranteed safe passage. My line in the sand is a 15-minute fair gap, value gap inversion. It would be 7-11 close to the downside on the 15, but this is not looking great. But if you think we've just been chopping back and forth, it's definitely weird. It's definitely very choppy. I mean, look at it. I would say it's probably going to end up picking a direction towards the end of the day. It's just going to probably rip or dump. Why do we dump 950 points this morning? I think just the chips and everything just dumped.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I meant to fucking...
Order filled.
Meant to put it like right here. I'm only in with 3 micros. The real stop is at 41. Should I take it? Should I take it? Real stop's 41. I'll fucking
Order
do it.
filled.
I'll do it. What the fuck? Let's see what happens. Price action cooked you? Bro, it's rough out there, man. You got to size down. You got to remember the big size can really hurt in these markets. What up, Killian? Boom.
Brent crude futures settle at $75.26 a barrel, up $1.52 or 2.06%.
Yeah, 1 micro. Dude, you could take some serious losses with you start playing like 5+ micros. Hey man, all you can do is learn. I'm still learning, man. I learned some valuable shit today and yesterday, man. Bro, the initial data on this shit that I'm working on is crazy. All you're doing is taking like fair value gaps. The statistics are pretty good so far.
Order filled.
I'm going to break even, by the way. You're going down? No. I'll show you your exit on any. If you were thinking about shorts on any level, as soon as we inverted this fair value gap right here, you should be out of your short. I wouldn't think about shorts until this gets inverted. That's why I went long. Really, you target right here. We're at 99. And if you really are spicy, you can target all the way up here. But honestly, your real TP is like here. That's where I would have exited my short. Not only that, on the 15, we basically traded right into this one. I don't even know if I'm still in it. No, I got stopped out, but also you got to think like you bounced down here. You bounced 1, 2, 3 times. Like the odds are you're probably going to get a bounce. I know everybody wants to short at the bottom. I even do it sometimes, but in reality, you just fucking dropped so many points. You got to let it bounce. You know what I mean? Like even if I'm wrong coming up, I could still scalp because you're so underwater on this move, there's going to have to be some type of relief bounce for just a little bit. Yo, did my team win the championship? Bro, my girls fucking smoked the other team. We ran the playoffs. So basically it was top, there's 4 teams that made the playoffs. So it's basically first round championship. We destroyed, I played 80% of the year for the girls to have fun. Not really worried about the standings because we were still kind of like winning some, losing some. And the last 3 games of this season, I played to win, and we fucking ran through teams. And I was like, holy shit, like our team is better than like I thought our team was probably one of the better teams, if not the best team. And that was when my lineup was all like mixed and my fielding was mixed. But when I played to win, I was like, holy shit. I was like, wow. Hey, Cove, I like the one strategy. I had an 83% win rate. Most people do like strategies that have an 83% win rate. Take a look at it. I gotta see which one it is. This is it. I actually don't even know what it is. I gotta dig through. It's something to do with 15-minute fair value gaps and some other things. I gotta clean it up. I gotta clean it up and see what it actually is and make sure all the numbers are correct. Yeah. I literally came up with that at lunch, just at lunch today. So I just gotta make sure it's real. That's a year's worth of data. I run some tests. I also scroll back for about a month and just make sure the trades are real. You know, yeah. So I just want to make sure that it's real before I put anything out there. Do I think that one's real? I do. But I just want to verify everything before somebody starts using it. Because that's the worst, is I put something out and it's not real. That would suck. That would suck for everybody, but I'll probably put it out in the Discord. I'll probably put it in the main chat in the Discord. Do I ever get bored working from home? Nah, why do you think I get off the stream at 12? I have a hooker come over at 12:30, and then I get back on the stream. It's kind of fun. Nah, I'm just joking. Do I get bored at home? Yeah. That's why I hang out on the stream.
AP News reports that the UN Maritime Agency pauses the evacuation of ships through Hormuz.
Ooh, something's going on in the strait. I get bored at home. I'll be honest with you though. Like I hang out in the chat. Like I'm having fun hanging out in the chat. No, LeBron retired. Hopefully his kid retires soon too. But yeah, I don't know, man. It does suck. So there's good aspects, there's bad aspects.
So the UN Maritime Agency pauses the plan to evacuate ships through the Strait of Hormuz following the vessel attack earlier today, which was cited by the Wall Street Journal about an hour ago.
You're not totally wrong. I'm literally looking at this right now. This is the hourly chart. And we're basically trading into this fair value gap on the downside. And I'm wondering if we hit the 50% line or around there at 942 and reject, or we just reject right here. So you have an I think that's an overlap.
So keep in mind, this is similar to a comment that we saw from UN's shipping agency, announced around the same time as the ship attack in the Strait of Hormuz. So they did say that the evacuation plan will be paused until further clarity is obtained.
NQ fell and rebounded V-shape. Yeah. Bro, all my friends have a 9 to 5. I make their monthly paychecks in 3 hours and I find things to do. Yeah, I got things to do. I don't know. Yo, it's Chiz. Yo, Chizzer is back. What up? Yo, where have you been, man? Yo, this new the new hourly candle. Not gonna lie, I might take a little short skeet.
Bank of
And
Canada report said that Canadians in all communities the bank visited expressed concern with the cost of living.
took a long break. Good to
The
have
report
you
said
back.
private sector economists felt that the Bank of Canada had too many measures of core inflation over the past decade and said the bank should focus on total inflation.
Dude, I'm debating on taking a short right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Fuck it. You only live once.
White House official says the US is looking into the strike on the ship in Hormuz, and it's too soon to say who attacked the ship.
If I get tagged out at 7, I'll probably go to break even. Well, Ron, maybe it's out there already. You guys just haven't found it. I gotta go see my friend in a little bit. Picked up a hell of a day to come back, bro. 9 and 21 crossover. Interesting. Yo, it's me not taking my fucking money when I'm up hundreds of dollars. That's the difference.
Order filled.
Well, if you took it, I just took a third off, locked in 150 bucks, and we ride, baby. We ride. Bro, you know he's my best friend in real life, right? Come on, baby. Fucking dump it. Yo, who's in? Yo, today's Friends Day, Sean. Only if they knew. Come on. Dump it. Fucking dump it. Don't do it. Don't you dare. No. Come on. Come on. Come down. I might take a 3 spot off this. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to lower one of these. That's better than taking it off. Come on. Come on. Come down. Come down.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
Bro. However this works out, that was a great fucking trade.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
I'm probably going to get stopped out. Dude, if I don't get stopped out, oh my God. Bro, look at that. Oh, I just missed getting stopped. Oh, shit. I'm going to just ride this thing. Listen, you may not like my stories. You may not like that I wear a hoodie every day. But don't say you don't like the trades. Jeez. I basically lost all of this money last night, and then I got it back, and then I should be like even on this account. I did something really fucking stupid last night. Yo, right? Chat's making fun of me because I got a hoodie on. There's a lot of trading volume around there. Boom, 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 boom. Dude. I'm trying to think if I can lock in more payouts today. I'm seeing how many more payouts I can lock in today. Payout, sit tight. What up, Tim? Yo, Fetterman, bro. Damn, you guys do me like that? Yo, what up, soy boy? Yo, ever since you said that in the fucking chat that day, I fucking say that so many times in like the real world. I'll see somebody, I'll be like, yo, what up, soy boy? It's so fucking hysterical. Hey man, I let the trade speak for themselves. Don't worry what I'm wearing. I'm shut down, but I want to jump in. This motherfucker's cartoon. Do not trade. Do not trade. I'm gonna trade. Nah, I got shorts on. I got Under Armour shorts on. I think we're going to trend down, though, man. This is fucking looking brutal. So we get under 674. I think this thing just lets loose. Bro, Under Armour, baby, all day. All day, every day. Yo, I was thinking about it. Oh, is this going to dump? I'll trade this thing. Let me see.
Order filled.
So, come on. Nope, not going to do it. That's fine. That's fine. I was looking for a 9 rejection and just kind of work ourselves down. Don't you fucking dare do that to me. You better go up at this point. Oh my God. Don't tell me they fucking whipped me out. Do not do this in a funded account. Even if it wins, do not do this in a funded account. I'm just looking for continuation here. I don't think I'm going to get it. I get stopped out of here, I'm done. Look, I almost got fucking wicked out. Boom. There's my course on trend lines. Everybody owes me $6,500. I want a purple Ferrari by the end of the day. What up, AD? $29,050? Dude, that's 700 points down. I think the only way we get that is like if Trump goes over there and gives the Supreme Leader pink eye. I don't know. Yo. Save some strokes? No, I like a lot of strokes. Bro, if this doesn't break here, I'm definitely cooked. I can tell you that right now. I would say there's a 65% chance this works for me. 35% it doesn't. I should take my fucking money right there
Order filled.
and be done dicking around with this thing. There you go. Bro, every time I get fucking... I got wicked out on that, too. Dude, are you shitting me? Like, that's where they got me out at? Like, are you kidding? So stupid. It's all probabilities. What up, John? Look at this. You got a change in state on the hourly also, bro. You got an hourly freaking... You got an hourly rejection. Bro, what the fuck just happened here?
SpaceX plans to build a natural gas pipeline to fuel rockets.
Interesting. Bro. How fucked is that? How messed up is that shit? 80, yo. Dropped another 40-something points after they wicked me out at the top. They gave me a John Wick at the top. Unfreaking believable. Oh, I'm gonna have to play around with. Oh, you know what? That's why it doesn't make sense. Okay, cool. Dude, I think you're gonna dump out. I just grabbed 5 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
Flopping. Yo, it's flopping like LeBron, baby. Yo, we were talking about, honestly, like, I think it was me and Cartoon. We were talking about it. Look, you have the 1 hour fair value gap rejection right here. We started the new hour and just went down. Once we got under 82, I think it's definitely downtown. Bro, that was a fucking layup. That was a layup. Yeah. Yeah, you could target the wicks on the left.
Order filled.
Hold on, I gotta hit the beeper on my thing. Hold on a second. So I had to turn my air on too. That shit's fucking. Making money? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Come on. Come on. Fucking dump that bitch.
The
Dump it.
Pentagon are to allow critical minerals plants on U.S. Army bases.
Wait, what? What is that? Come on. Just fucking dump it. Bro, be glad you're up $100, man. I'm gonna get cooked here. Honestly, that's shit news over in Middle East, by the way. I don't think you guys realize that. That's kind of like where I, along with the hourly chart, which obviously can move at this stage fucking 200 points either way. It seems like there's something going on in the street. Unload that shit. Nate, tell him. For the stream. It's got to get under 32. It gets under this blue line. I might be cooked, though. Nah, I think I'm cooked. I'm bringing up a 1 minute chart. Over 75, I changed my bias and go long. Just an FYI for anyone that's in the chat. Over 75, 1 minute close, I am fucking out. I'm going up. Just that's my line in the sand. You think you're going to become an ES stan? Why?
Order filled.
I made the mistake of getting an awful entry, to be honest with you. This entry should have been closer to 56. I usually like to get in right next to the purple line. ES outperforms NQ on all the back tests, just an FYI for the most part. I just can't fucking... I'll make this money back. I just can't do a... The strategy that I play on here a lot, I can't find a script to really backtest it, but Bro, if this thing dumps now, I will. Dude, it's crazy. Yo, I just realized I'm not touching this account. I thought I was in a 150K account. I thought I was in a 150K account this whole time. I make one more trade.
Order filled.
If this doesn't go right, I will save this for like a CPI event or something like that. I honestly thought this whole time trading 6 micros, I didn't know I was in a 25K account. Probably should have looked at that. Yeah, I have a lot of strategies based on IB and whatnot that ES produces much better than NQ. Just fucking push it, man.
Order filled.
What up, bro? I think ES is smoother. I don't know, but it definitely backtests a lot better when you start doing when you start backtesting actual strategies and shit. If you have a strategy, you really should backtest it on NQ, ES, YM, and then even throw gold in there, and you'd be shocked what you find. Some strategies that work on them work on gold as well. Is definitely something that you should keep an eye out for. I just know a lot of people don't. They're either afraid of gold or whatnot. But if the back test is showing you positive, why would you not do it? You know what I mean? How much time do I back test when I develop a strategy? I throw it in the back tester. So, like argument's sake, this one has a year's worth of data. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to live test it. I'm going to test it in a live environment, auto trading it onto Ninja. So basically, I set up a webhook. So I basically set up webhooks now. That will alert me here. I basically bro, did I just click that off? So here, you click this and then you add alert and then you do like message and whatnot. You set it up. Know what I'm saying? I'm running them in a sim. So I'm not running that one yet. I literally found it at lunch. So I got this one. I got this one. I'm going to set them up after the market's done. I'll set it up and I'm going to run it in the live environment on a sim account. So basically you can create fake accounts in NinjaTrader. Let's see what Claude buys. Anything? So you can create fake accounts in NinjaTrader, and it will run and keep P&Ls based on the live environment because it's pulling data from a prop firm. And I'll see what it does in the actual environment. So we'll see what it does live for like a week or two. And if it's consistent with what I see, then I'll go live with it in an account that allows a bot. Or I'll probably go live in an account that allows a bot, and then I'll manually trade it in another account. You can't believe all the data that you always see in here, but I also manually review where I'll scroll in the chart to make sure that it's getting in and out in the right spots. I just grabbed some micros in this account.
Order filled.
Oh, I just did that in this account? Fuck. I just got too many.
Order filled.
This is the account that's a 25K. I don't want to be too heavy in it. So I'm actually in 10 micros now on this in my ETF account. I'd love to hold this. I'd love to let 5 out at like 610 and then hold another 5, but my stop is at 51. I just got stopped out. I might do this. The risk reward is just there. Look at, oh my God, don't, oh my God. Are you not going to get that? I'm risking not even 10 points. Bro, are you kidding me? I will not fucking move my order. Oh my God. No way. I grabbed 5 micros here, but that's some bullshit, dude. That's 25, 30 points already. I just went to break even on my other account. Motherfuck, man. Bro, that missed me by like 1 point. I would be out of it already. I would have gotten almost 30 points already. What is that? 30 points, 60 bucks, $180? I'd be fucking out. Oh my God, is it happening again? Is that happening again?
Order filled.
Of course, now I'm going to get fucking stopped. I would have just gotten 30 points on this move, and now they got me on the other one. You suck, NQ. You suck so bad that you couldn't fill me by 1 fucking point. 1 point. 1 point. I was like, please. That's all I needed was 1 point. That's why I wouldn't trade a funded account right now. It's too wishy-washy. It's too wishy-washy. I would trade evals, and I wouldn't copy trade right now. Yeah. Dude, I'm just gonna shut my freaking air off for 2 seconds. Seeing some lag at work? What, on your Ninja? Tell them at work they need to up their internet for you. Like, yo, you guys, we need some better internet over here. Am I using Legends? I do use Legends. I'm actually, I might do something with them soon. I buy those accounts. They run these crazy deals sometimes that are like 90% off. Buy one, get one. And I load up. I think I have one Legends account right now, actually. Here, let's see. Let's see if I got a Legends account. So what I do and why I don't actually know is I just plug them in my copy trader. All these accounts that I have just get plugged in a copy trader. Okay, so here it is. There's my Legends account. Didn't even know I had it. It's actually just in my copy trader. Bro, this thing is gonna fucking. Oh my god! What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I'm gonna get.
Order filled.
Yo, this is gonna. What other accounts do I have? Oh my god. Oh, come on, little buddy.
Order filled. Order filled.
I didn't mean to buy 12. That's for fucking shit sure. Just I didn't mean to buy 12. I'm just being completely honest with you. Whether I make money on it or not, I didn't mean to buy 12. I'm gonna get out of some of these right here. I didn't mean to buy it. My bad. I got this fucking mouse. I'll spend hundreds of dollars or thousands on like a trading setup, but I have a $5 mouse from fucking Amazon Basics that double clicks.
Order filled.
Just get me out. Just come back down. Oh. I'm still on the mouse. I'm still on it. I still haven't ordered one.
Order filled.
I just wanted. I really only wanted like that, but. Oh, I forgot I was even on this fucking. I forgot I was even in this. That's why I do copy trades, because I kind of forget that I'm in some of these trades. Like I forgot I was in on this account. So that's why I choose to copy trade, where I just got to follow one account and you don't have to follow I don't have to swap back and forth tabs and look and do all this other shit. Like, if I get stopped out here, I'm done with this account until like a CPI event. I'll save it. What up,
We're
Zach
seeing a
X?
text release here from Fed's Williams. So he pushes back hitting the 2% target from 2027 to 2028 now. He reiterates that monetary policy is well positioned for the current economy. Williams says, I expect inflation to moderate to 3.5% this year, and said if the Middle East war disruptions are resolved soon, that will lower inflation pressures. Williams expects inflation pressure to moderate. Says thus far, US is resilient against war economic impacts, and says it is imperative for the Fed to get inflation to 2%. Fed's Williams says, I see the US growing at 2.25%, unemployment rate down to 4% by 2028.
What's up,
Says the
Legend?
standing repo operations are a key tool to cap interest rate pressure, and that the Fed will adjust reserve management buying as needed. Middle East war continues to contribute to risks and uncertainties, and the job market has proven resilient.
I can see. I can only ask. I think this thing's going to just fucking dump out, personally. I think you're going to sweep under 587. I can ask. So all I can do is ask. See what they say. You're back? Guess who's back? Back again. Don't trade this crap. I really thought we were going to dump out. On the higher time frames, this looks like it's going to just come all the way back down. It does not look good on the higher time frames. So it looks like my KYC is done. Let's see if I get paid. Let's see if I get paid. I don't know if I'm going to get paid or not. Damn, my dad gang hat just got delivered. Well, that's awesome. The Wolf of Full Port is back. Dude, wait. What's up, Mick? Just be profitable. That's easy. I like that. Easy rules to live by. What up, A-Trades? Dude, it's been an awesome day. If every day was like this, bro, woof. I'm seeing bullish structure on the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour chart. Yeah, Miralax. Yeah, it can go freaking quick. Quick. 2 minis? Quick. Nah, it's on life support. I'm about to give it mouth to mouth soon, Miss Goody. But that's all because of Yeah, I'll show you what I did. I'm not. So when we got off yesterday's stream, I said I was going to long it, right? And I was like, fuck it, whatever happens, happens. I was like, I just got fucking, I'll never play fucking Asia again like that. Actually, I got $325. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Captain Crunch. I locked in 2 payouts today. I'm doing pretty good. I've had a payout every single day except for one in probably the last 2 weeks. I'm doing pretty good. I love this market. I will ask, Austin. Yeah, things are going good. I'm I don't know. Just seems kind of, kind of good. Trading's good. Sticking to the plan is good. I got a bunch of strategies that are good. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Dude, is that short going to pay out? It needs to touch that WAP. Yeah, I don't know. Just seems pretty good. I like the movement. What I don't like is when we start going like this, back and forth, back. Like, it's not respecting any lines. It's just going back and forth, back. That I'm out on. How do you earn points? You just got to be on the stream. Just got to be on the stream. Streamlabs does it. It's automated, so you can't come in and sign up with like 10 YouTube names. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, you could just come in here with 10 YouTube names and subscribe and join the giveaway. So I do it like this. So Streamlabs, it's all automated. Yeah. I think it gives you more points for talking in the chat also. So if you talk in the chat, it gives you more points. Yeah. I think so. I don't know. Everyone that's in here. Yo, helpful. Jesus, bro. What is that? Cash, ass, or grass? Yo, don't worry about it. Whatever happens today. Yo, you guys, we do giveaways every single day. So you can just chill out. Like, it's not like this is the last day. We literally do it every single day. Every single day.
1 minute now until we get the markets on close imbalance.
Yeah, I think everyone's like, I think it's pretty much straightforward. The biggest thing that you got to look out for is the amount of, I think you need like $150 for 8 trading days. I believe that's what it was. The old rules were worse. It was like 10. The Zainab, I don't know where he's at. I'm not even on there.
10 seconds.
Yo, market on close. Watch your positions. Watch them. I don't think there's a minimum whole time.
Markets on close imbalance. S&P 500 a buy side of 1.2 billion. Nasdaq 100 a sell side of 89 million. Dow 30 buy side 1.1 billion. Mag 7 buy side of 1 billion.
Yeah, the old accounts were worse. How many points? I think it's 1. I think today is just 1. Some days it's 5. My China friend has 10 YouTube names. Not sure how he can see correctly. What? What? I don't even know what to say to that. I don't even know what to say to that.
Order filled.
Do not follow this. I just want to see if it just dumps here. It's literally hanging on by a thread. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I'm not. I risked that, but I think the reward would have been 100 and something points to the downside, to be honest with you. I'm just... Honestly, all the good moves are pretty much done. Yo, fun fact, Bruce Jenner was once a man. Bro! He started looking a little weird towards the end, though. I don't think... I think all the good moves are kind of done, personally. We shall see, though. We shall see. Oh. No, I think he did the surgery. He went full on. Oh man. Dude, this is... Am I gonna go in an eval and have some fun? You want to see some funsies? Well, let's see what happens. We're going in an eval style. You made 750 today? That's freaking awesome. I had a TPT account I thought I busted had 50. Yo, how'd you get it back from 50 drawdown? 1 micro? Cove, how to deal with risk management when I'm a losing streak. I'll be honest with you, if you're on a losing streak, I would just recheck your strategy just to make sure that the strategy holds up. Because if you've never, you should know the odds. And if it's losing and losing and losing, I would test the strategy still works in this market. And then after that, I would make sure I'm not sizing up. I would make sure I'm not sizing up, and I'd make sure I'm not revenge trading. Does anyone know if Fidias can be traded on Onyx via Rhythmic? I think Onyx is its own thing. That's like deep charts. I don't know. Why not just use Quant Tower, Sean? Why not use Quant Tower? Yeah, you got to hit that first trade. Yeah, you need to get out of you need some breathing room.
Order filled.
Is this thing just going to freaking go? Do not follow this. I'm in an Apex eval. And I'm fine with whatever happens here. Yeah, so basically you connect Quant Tower to that account, or you connect that account to Quant Tower. That's how that works, Sean. That's how I traded with them. Yo, this looks like it's 10 points. It's really freaking 40 points. That's crazy. Dude, the size of these candles are ridiculous. Yeah, so I used to trade them. Download Quant Tower and you'll be able to set it up. Quant Tower is free when you use it with Fidias, I believe. You may not have all the options in there, but you'll have a good amount. Bro, the risk, yeah. Yeah, I'm with you, KP. Like, you can easily take massive risks. You could take massive losses. Like, this looks like it's 10 points that honestly, I thought I was risking like 20 points at max. That was not the case. What up, Zone? Yeah, I thought I was risking like 20 something points. I mean, it's just an eval. I'm not really worried about it, but it just kind of sucks that it doesn't look like much, but it is. I'm probably going to drift in this account, by the way. So there's a thing at the end of the day, they pull orders. Do you have a PC? What do you have, Sean? A PC or a Mac? I'm going to get freaking stopped. What do you got, a PC or a Mac? I'll help you out. If you got a PC, it'll work. If you have a Mac, no dice. You got a Mac? I don't think you can do it on a Mac. You got to run like a parallel, but you're not going to do that. Yeah, I don't know. You got to ask the Diaz how they do it. I'm just getting out of this.
Order filled.
Do not follow this. Do not follow this. 74% of the chance it works. The other 26% it does not work. I'm just having some fun here end of the day. Should have just held that freaking long. Oh, I should have just held that long. Jeez, bro. What the fuck is wrong with me? Like, I know it's going to go, and I just get out. Bro, I was in this fucking long. I was literally in this long right here. Oh, this is risking it for the biscuit. I'll tell you that. They are chewing up. Is there news after hours or something? What the fuck just came out? Bro, I was literally just in this shit. There's no news. Wow. I don't even know what the fuck this is going on. Bro, I'm going to get in this short and I'm just going to hold. Something just happened. We're up 200 fucking points. Once it loses steam. Bro, I was in it. I was fucking in it long at 687. I would have just gotten. Does anybody know why we just did this? Bro, they gotta backfill this. Someone's gonna backfill this. Nice, bud. Bro, I was just up fucking. I'm making little. I made 120 bucks there. I just made 240. Dude, I don't even know what caused this. I don't know. I mean, Apex is always a little delayed to get. They're always a little delayed. I have no idea what caused this, but I made my money back. Dude. There's some buying coming in. Oh, I don't know what caused it. Dude, that's crazy. Yo, I was going to use this one. This one's got $69 of drawdown. Actually, I can't even do anything in there. I don't see anything. I don't see any news. Bro, that was crazy. That was crazy, crazy. I don't see anything anywhere. You're gonna see a delayed. You're gonna see something come out. Like you're gonna see something come out. I bet you see something tonight, probably. So, and somebody just freaking bought. Dude, that was. I mean, that was like MU earnings. I don't. I'm. That's on nothing. It's crazy. Anybody got any questions? Bro, it was right at 4. It was right at. It was 1 minute before. Yeah.
Order filled.
I want to see if they fill this. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm fully okay with that. But I don't know the last time I saw something pump like this after hours on just fucking whatever. I'm done. That's the weirdest shit that I've seen in a while. Somebody probably bought. Somebody bought. That's fucking insane. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What up, futures? Yeah. Locked in 2 payouts and green. Doesn't get better than that. I had a great day. I had an awesome day. All right. Look at that shit, dude. It's just trending down. Yeah, I mean, in 19 minutes, I don't know. It was just weird. It's weird how it's selling off. Ah. Let's get this shit. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just making sure that I'm just looking for the bots. The bots. You know exactly what guy I'm talking about. Making sure the bot guy got filtered out. Just looking. Dude, that same guy comes in with so many fucking names. So stupid. Ah. Yo, anybody got any questions real quick? Any questions? Yo, if you don't win today, you can win tomorrow. We do this every single day. So
following the close of the US cash equities markets, looking
there
at
we
the
go.
market wrap for today's session. So a new wave of tech volatility has seized Wall Street.
Voice news disconnected.
Take him off. We don't need him. Let's get some tunes. What is this? Yo, quack quack motherfuckers. It should be back. Just look at the version you have. You gotta back test it though. The numbers didn't look great. I'm gonna be honest with you, Miss Goody. The numbers didn't look great. Yo, what the fuck is that? Yo. You guys are fucking wild. Yo, what up, Keyshawn? Yeah. Yo, Keyshawn, you here? Oh, there you are. Dude, I like this version.
Cove Trader in the building.
Oh my god, this is gonna hit.
You already know what day it is.
Make it hit.
Titty Dick Thursday is giveaway time. It's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. Titty Dick Thursday is giveaway time. Run that trade, don't waste that line. Tick tick moving, know it twice. Tick tick moving, don't blink twice. One wrong move and you chasing pride.
I see you. Do you see me? I see you.
Whole chat loud, everybody talk. Half of them trade, half just watch. One do
Gotta turn my air
one do
on.
short. Same chart, different report. Cove on stream like watch this break. Chat goes crazy every move he makes. Order video,
Yo.
yeah, that's the sound. And half the room just jump around. Some say hold, some say sell, some just panic and type away.
Yo, we never did numbers game today.
One clean candle can change it all. Titty Dick Thursday is giveaway time. It's giveaway time.
It's all automated. Did you not do the thing, Robert?
Tick jump when the levels align. Go wild like that's my sign.
Did you not do the thing?
Thursday is giveaway time. Run that trade, don't waste that line. Tick, tick, moving, don't wink twice. Everybody expert when it's going slow, but when it speed up, nobody know. One guy bragging like he never missed. Next trade hits and he deletes his list. Miles like chill, chat like nah. Everybody act like a market star. Tick, tick, moving, candles flex. One bad entry, now it's stress. Coach just laughing like you'll be fine while the chart just sees that line.
There you are, Robert.
What day is it? What day is it? What day is it? What day is it? Titty tick Thursday. Tick tick Thursday. Titty
Yo.
tick Thursday. Tick tick giveaway time.
Yo.
Titty tick Thursday is giveaway time. It's giveaway time. It's giveaway time.
Yo, we do this every day, so don't worry.
Don't overthink, just run that line. Titty tick Thursday is giveaway time.
Yo, Levy.
Don't waste that line. Tick tick moving, don't wait twice.
Where's you? I don't know. It's all automated.
Cove Trader.
Were you in here when it was open? If you just came in here, dropped the code and left, you probably didn't get in. What up, Jasmine? We got one more.
Tuesday, giveaway time. Tuesday,
Yo, we missed this one today, by the way.
giveaway time.
This one we missed this week. No. Is Jasmine in here? Bro, I can't tell everybody where the duck is. Watch, ready? I hit the start button, and half the ducks go off the screen. You know where your duck is? It's over here somewhere. Your ducks are over here. It's all automated. Yo, how about this? We hit 87 people yesterday. If we hit 125 next week, I'll give away a straight to funded. Shit's hysterical. Yo, who was the other person that won? Who was the other person that won? Dude, I forgot to type them in. Who was it? It was Keyshawn, Miralax, oh, Jasmine. Dude. I gotta go to my other Thursday song. This is it. For this is for the fast action right here.
Fired up.
Bro, watch how fast these guys go. Yes, I do. Yes.
Lights flash red and the charts ignite. Cove Trader
Always.
live, it's a bloodbath night. And Q screaming, Wick's going insane. He's hunting every bottom like a man deranged. Candle drop fast, yeah, straight to hell.
Yo,
Can't panic, but
look
he
at these
knows
fucking
it well.
athletes.
Right at the bottom where the fear gets thicker, that's where you'll find him.
Oh my god, Jasmine, you better snort some Yo, somebody better wake up and snort some snow over there. Jesus. Bro, oh my god. Dude, look at that fucking comeback. Bro. That's wild. I didn't see that coming at all. Bro. Send me the email. I need to create Sir Dog, Sir Your Dog Priest. Sean could do it. Cove, you got something to do with this? Do with what? Tell me what? Dude, I should have taken this little inversion. I have no idea what you're talking about, Keyshawn. If you want, you can message me. I don't know what you're talking about. Well, oh, rigged? No, I don't even own the website that does it. I wish I did own the website that did it. I've put in that I win all the time, and all the other people who fucking copy me, I would just go there and win everybody's race. That'd be hysterical. Yo. Dude. Yo, how funny would that have been though? I bought that website and then everybody that uses it, I code in there that anytime my name is in there, it automatically wins. So I just go to random streams that are using it and I just keep winning fucking accounts off everybody until somebody fucking realizes it. That'd be shit would be hysterical. But I don't know what to say. If you were gonna take this is where you would have bought it. Look, we come down, down, down. You have this inversion back over 8. You would have got in right here at 8.15. Your stop would have been 8.03. I will check the email. Peace out, Cub Scout. Yo, remember tomorrow morning I'm not on. I'll be on afternoon only tomorrow.
Thursday. Cove Trader.
Just looking. Congratulations, you won an Apex account. We'll probably do a Lucid account tomorrow, by the way. Lucid Flex tomorrow is what we're doing. Holy shit. Next gen paid me.
Lights flash red and the charts ignite. Cove Trader live, it's a bloodbath night. NQ screaming, Wick's going insane. He's hunting every.
Yo, you want to hear big stops? I got you.
Oh no. Not like this. Sean C caused this.
Then you can get a Bulenox account, or
So here
what's
we
even
are.
better is, if you don't want either one, we can just pass it to somebody else if you want.
I like big stops, I don't pretend. Tight stop traders get offended.
You just let me know. If you can't, we'll just pass it to somebody else.
Chart starts wiggling, Discord loud. Someone already panicking in the crowd. Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while the weekends cry. Chat moving fast.
You get a Bulenox account.
Posting nonsense against their will. Cove reads a message, leans back slow.
Bro, why
Yeah,
would you
just
even
pass
type
it to
that,
Jasmine.
Laughs a little.
Jasmine loves
Tries to
Apex.
refocus. Well, that just ruined mail for me, no no hope.
Jasmine asks for Apex all the time.
Sean C smiling. This is going great. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie.
Well,
Wicks get wild, she's still inside.
listen,
when the market chops
you
and the
have
setup's
options.
dry, she wide.
It was free. It didn't cost anything.
Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. While tight
So,
stops cry, and that's why
you could switch with somebody? Yes, you could switch with Jasmine.
Save us somehow. Sideways candles, mental strain. Discord praying for volatility.
You could definitely switch with Jasmine.
Someone types it. Everyone knows. Market don't go sideways. There it goes. Big cold gals, no filter now, bro. I need
You let
to
me
fucking
know.
tweet something bad right
I'm
now.
super easy.
Chat explodes. Nobody learns. Marie's still holding while the market turns. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. That extra room keeps trades alive. If it wicks down hard, she won't comply with fear-based exits or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Discord unhinged, Sean C nearby. If the song's stuck in your head all day, that's on him. We tried to say no, okay? This was unnecessary. This was avoidable. Sean C caused this. Sean C caused this.
If you pass it, Jasmine, I got you. I'll hook you up with an end-of-day account, Jasmine. But, anybody have any questions about anything? Now's a good time to ask. Before I start getting cranking on this Claude shit. Anybody got questions? Let's see how my Claude Calci bot's doing. Dude, what country are you in? What country are you in? You're in the Palestine? Yeah, I'm just curious. What accounts do they let over there? What accounts do they have over there? All right, Jasmine knows how to get a hold of me. I'm just wondering. Dude, you should move. You should move. They'll give you access to more accounts. Well, tomorrow we're going to do a Lucid giveaway. So if you want to be part of Lucid, we'll do it tomorrow. Maybe the karma will allow you to win one. I'm going to start giving away Tradeify accounts too, Lucid and Tradeify accounts. So stick around. Listen, I do this every day. All it is to give back to the community. You know, like the real goal of the channel is to trade, make money. I give away indicators for free, strategies for free. You know, it's all, I don't charge you for anything. So the accounts are just kind of something to give back to the community. But you're new here. What up, Caesar? Yo, wild deuces. Listen, I just try to keep it relaxed and chill. But, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I actually got to go do something at 5. I'm going to work on Claude right now. I got some strategies I want to clean up a little bit. I'm going to request 2 payouts today, and I can lock in more payouts tomorrow. So I'm kind of happy. If you got any questions, let me know. All right. I will not be on in the morning. I'll be on at 2 p.m. tomorrow, though. All right. And that's pretty much it. I will see you guys tomorrow. This was a great day. Peace.